NCERT Class 8 English Chapter 10. The Comet Comprehension Check. Page 83. Question 1. For a moment, James wondered if he had done his sums right. Why was James doubtful about his sums and calculations? Answer. James was doubtful about his sums and calculations because when James looked up from his window at a star-studded night sky, he knew somewhere amongst these stars was Comet Duta, which was heading for a collision with Earth. It was hard for him to believe the calamity of the future could have an impact on such a peaceful night. Question 2. What did the scientists at the conference say about James's sums? Answer. The experts and scientists checked and rechecked James Forsyth's calculation with the latest observations of Comet Duta. They found that his calculations and sums were correct and that a comet might collide with Earth soon. However, there was a small chance that the comet might just graze the atmosphere of the Earth and not collide with it. But this slight intermission was not a reassurance for not taking action. Question 3. Immediate action was needed. The scientists decided. Give one example of each of the defensive and offensive actions mentioned in the text. Answer. The defensive measure dismissed by the experts was to live in underground bunkers, as it was not a practical proposition. The offensive action was to marginally deflect Comet Duta from its path by giving it a push. This could possibly be achieved by placing a nuclear payload in a spaceship and sending it to intercept the approaching comet and detonating it by using a remote control. Question 4. I am not buying any Christmas presents till December 15. What did Sir John mean by that? Answer. I. Complete story. Answer I. A man got on the train and sat down. When Sir John said that he was not buying any Christmas presents till December 15, he intended to mean that he was quite unsure about the success of this experiment. December 15 was the day the comet would hit the Earth, and if the experiment failed, the comet would collide with Earth. Comprehension check. Page 87. Question 1. What is Dada expected to do on his return from London? Answer. Upon his return from London, Dada was expected to perform a Shanti Yagna to pacify the evil spirit behind the comet. This yagna was arranged by his wife Indrani Devi, who thought a yagna could help to minimize the evil effects of a comet on Earth, and she had called the priest to bless her husband too. Question 2. What is his reaction to the proposal? Answer. The Tada reacted very angrily to the proposal of setting on a yagna to fight the evil effects of a comet that is likely to collide with Earth. He simply remarked that it was a superstition and refused to perform the yagna meant to fight the ill effects of a comet. Question 3. I. What does Project Light Brigade refer to? E. What does Sir John say about the project in his letter to Tada in October? Answer. When the scientists in the secret conference were confident that Comet Dodo was likely to collide with Earth soon, they decided to join hands together to save the planet from it. Project Light Brigade refers to the plan to deflect the comet's path by causing a nuclear explosion near it. In his letter to Dada in October, Sir John mentioned that the Project Light Brigade had begun its charge, and they were hoping for the best. This meant that the spaceship with the nuclear payload was launched on time. Question 4. Did Sir John buy Christmas presents on December 15? How did Dada get to know about it? Answer. Yes, Sir John bought Christmas presents on December 15. Dada came to know about it from the urgent telex message sent by Sir John Macpherson on November 8. The letter mentioned that he was confident about buying his Christmas presents on December 15, which meant that Project Light Brigade was indeed a successful operation that helped in averting Comet Data. Question 5. Why? According to Indrani Devi, had the comet not been disastrous? Do you agree with her? Answer. I. Complete story. Answer I. A few hours later, the police arrested the man. They held him for 24 hours and then freed him. According to Indrani Devi, the comet had not proved to be disastrous because she felt the Shanti Yagna performed in her house was the ideal solution that helped in averting the comet's path from colliding with Earth. No, I don't agree with her because her opinion was completely based on superstitions. As a matter of fact, it was the joint efforts of the scientists in the secret conference who chalked out a plan, the Project Light Brigade, to deflect the comet's path by causing a nuclear explosion near it. This experiment proved fruitful, and helped in saving the Earth and all the people of the planet from massive destruction. Question 6. Is Dada's general outlook irrational? E. Moral? Very traditional. Choose the right word. Say why you think it is right. Answer. Dada was a scientist with a rational and scientific outlook. As he observed stars and their movements, he was aware of what comets are composed of. He was fully aware that there is no connecting link between scientific reason, such as the appearance of comets, and traditions or customs which define the misfortunes of the earth. Hence, he proved his point when he did not participate in the Yagna exercise. Page 88. Discuss the following topics in small groups. Write your answers afterwards. Question 1. Should a scientist's findings be suppressed if they seem disturbing? Give reasons for and against the topic. Answer. No. A scientist's findings should never be suppressed or ignored because they try to discover the truth behind unknown spatial objects through scientific reason and research. Nicolaus Copernicus was one such mathematician and astronomer. He created a model of the universe that placed the sun rather than the earth at the center of the universe, which finally proved to be correct. On the contrary, people in Galileo's time believed that the earth was indeed at the center of the universe. They believed that the sun and other planets revolved around it. Question 2. Do you think ours is a traditional society? What are some of the things we do to be called traditional? Do you find these things useless or useful? Answer. Yes, our society is still very traditional and conservative despite the great advancements made by science and factual reason. This is mainly because of the ignorance of the people. The priests try to instill full traditional beliefs in people through various customs and rituals. They believe that they can pacify the evil spirits away by making ample offerings to please God. All these are pointless and futile practices. Question 3. Give 2 or 3 examples to show how science has been useful to us. Answer. Science is a knowledgeable resource which helps us to discover the truth behind unknown possibilities through effective research and reason. It is a never ending process. Science has made living a comfortable process for us and protected us from famines, floods, natural calamities, diseases, etc. Question 4. Give one example to show how science has been misused and has, as a result, been harmful to us. Answer. There have been various misuses of science through the creation of nuclear power or the discovery of the atomic bomb. The discovery of gunpowder has led to the creation of hydrogen bombs and lethal arms and ammunition. Such misuse of science has therefore led to a huge loss of life and property across the globe. Frequently asked questions on NCERT solutions for Class 8 English Chapter 10. Q1. How do the NCERT solutions of Class 8 English Chapter 10 help students in their exam preparation? The solutions of NCERT Class 8 English Chapter 10 are very much helpful for the students to prepare for their board exams. The expert tutors, having vast knowledge about the subject, have created the solutions keeping in mind the students' abilities. Referring to NCERT solutions provided at SVE's website will reduce the revision time of students significantly prior to the exam. Q2 talks. What did the scientists at the conference say about James's sums in Chapter 10 of NCERT Solutions of Class 8 English? The experts and scientists checked and rechecked James Forsyth's calculation with the latest observations of Comet Tutor. They found that his calculations and sums were correct and that a comet might collide with Earth soon. However, there was a small chance that the comet might just graze the atmosphere of the Earth and not collide with it. But this slight intermission was not a reassurance for not taking action. To know more about the chapter solutions, check SVE's website and access them provided by the subject experts. Q3. What is Tadada expected to do on his return from London in Chapter 10 of NCERT Solutions of Class 8 English? Upon his return from London, Tata was expected to perform a Shanti Yagna to pacify the evil spirit behind the comet. This yagna was arranged by his wife Indrani Devi, who thought a yagna could help to minimize the evil effects of a comet on Earth. And she had called the priests to bless her husband too. Students can refer to and download the chapter solutions available in PDF format for free from the links given and can use them for future reference as well.